So, guys, I actually did this because I lost all my stuff and then I just decided I thought of something and then I will actually do it. So I will actually get my stuff back. So I will do it right now. And but I think I'll get some wood after I cross this area, and then I will get some. What the heck do you call it again? I forgot. But then I will just do it, and then after that I will probably make a house. Probably, probably. So this is what I will do. So what I will do is make a house, but I regret. So so what I will so I was checking what I died because I thought it was a witch, but then it's a zombie villager. But when I emoted, I actually wanted to open chat, but then I accidentally emoted. So that's what happened. Now I will actually go check what I am doing. Now I will get some wood because I need to actually make a stone pickaxe because I will make stone tools, and then after that I think probably in the next episode probably I will make a house, like a full house with a furnace, a fireplace, everything. Once I get everything, and probably I should get an iron farm or an XP farm because it's kinda annoying to get killed, and by that time I on what do you call this, peaceful mode. Yeah, because it's so annoying. But then I turn it off because I forgot to turn it off. But then I forgot to on it on normal. So I just was wondering why I did not have any mob spawning, and that's the reason. So now I will just continue mining. Why did I say mining? So what will happen next is that I just do this for the next 3 minutes, and I will go quiet until this is done mining. So bye. So guys, we're almost back done mining this. So so we will continue mining this. So what I am actually, my mic is actually broken. I will make my 21 on this. So I have to put it up to my mouth to actually let you hear my commentary. So now I will actually get it fixed. Probably. So so what we will do what we will do next is actually get more wood, since that's what I was thinking of. And I should have not get it out of it. I should have not gotten out of that hole because now I have died and lost all my stuff. And I was about to make a bundle. So I will actually make this video like 10 minutes long, so that way it will be actually watchable. in the span of 10 minutes. And actually, it is just blank for you all guys, so just enjoy the gameplay. And also, hashtag, hashtag, this, hashtag Minecraft. And actually, I am going to check something because I was wondering why is it always look gray. Like actually, and the mod pack the add-on I'm using is actions and stuff. As you can see, I am the reason why I exited is because I am checking what happened with my tails because it looked like it's always like dusty. It looks all dusty, like I mean I'm not even lying. Like all of it. See? Can you see the gameplay footage? I am going into the settings at that time because I did not want you to see my actual username. And my resource packs are actually I use backpack, and then of course it's I did turn on. I wish I had I turned, and yes, I am not X-raying, but then of course on my other survival I actually X-rayed to find my damn stuff because a piglin killed me, and then that's why I had to find it, and I installed X-ray just to find it. So that's why. And then I think I will just stop the recording here. I'll and then I will just try my best to answer your questions, guys. And yeah, so what will we do? It's so laggy. Yeah, I hate it. I wish I could upgrade right now, but I cannot. I got this phone like 4 months ago. Now, guys, this is Minecraft. So let's just do it. And yes, I know I said yes. I know what I said when I put no commentary on the title. But then, of course, I put commentary now because it's kinda boring. I just realized it's kinda boring when you're actually watching, and then it's actually just all like that. So that's why I will not let you watch in silence. And yes, I did do that because I was wondering. And now my graphics is fixed. Some reason why do I always get that fog? Is that from my add-on or what? Anyways, I already removed it. So let's just continue. I am gonna make tools since I died. I'm gonna make like what you call this? A pickaxe. Yeah. So let's do it, and then after that let's make a sword or a pickaxe. Yes, and yes, I am real. A I am not a robot, as you can see. By answering one of that is that I hate Donald Trump. And yes, I will actually do this. So now I am getting enough for a furnace or stone tools. So let's just do it right now because it's like I'm gonna end in like a few minutes.